In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Twilio. If you're looking to streamline your communication process between these two powerful platforms, you're in the right place. We'll walk through each step to ensure that you're set up for success with this integration. Let's start by heading to your Monday.com dashboard. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the specific task or project where you'd like to apply this integration. For today's example, we'll focus on task 3, but you can easily adapt these steps to any task or project of your choosing. It's crucial to ensure you're in the correct task area, as this is where the integration magic will happen. Now that you've pinpointed your task, it's time to click on the Integrate button. You might see this option in the top menu within your task interface, or it could be part of a side panel depending on how your workspace is configured. Clicking Integrate opens up the gateway for linking Monday.com with external apps like Twilio, so take a moment to confirm you're in the right place before proceeding. Once you've clicked on the Integrate button, a search bar or menu will pop up, giving you the opportunity to type in or choose from a list of possible integrations. Our focus today is on the Twilio integration, so for a faster route there, simply type in the word highlight. This step is vital, as it sifts through the numerous choices, directing us precisely to the integration pathway we're looking for. Having typed in highlight, a list of options will be displayed. Be sure to carefully select the highlight option from among these. You'll likely see several suggestions, so to avoid any potential mix-ups, ensure you choose the one specifically designed for your integration needs. Once you've selected the highlight option, you'll see a button labeled Integrations, followed by 50 files. When you click this button, you'll enter the Integrations hub. This hub is like a treasure trove filled with various connections between Monday.com and a wide range of other platforms. It's like opening a toolbox packed with app connections ready to enhance your workflow. As you go through this process, remember that clarity is essential. Following these steps accurately can help you sidestep any potential troubleshooting issues later on. Taking the time to methodically navigate through these instructions can make a significant difference in achieving a smooth integration and a more efficient communication workflow. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up an integration between Monday.com and Twilio, paving the way for a more organized and effective workflow. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tutorials.